stop me before I hit that wall. Good. Slide around. Yeah. My bad. Oh god. Ah! If you don't fucking keep doing it, what the fuck wrong with you?
I can't get the groove.
I can't get the rhythm there.
Ready?
Oh god, don't do it too fast.
We're gonna do backwards.
Oh no. I'm so fucking itchy, dude. Oh god. Okay.
You wanna try Monto?
No.
No. Lucas, I wanna try again.
Okay.
But you can't just keep stopping.
Okay.
You have to give me some speed. So I stop sliding and hitting my fucking head.
I was on the hill though. Ready?
Let's do it.
Shit.
Come on, you try.
Damn it.
It's once you get it going, there's no other experience. It's like, do you remember that roller coaster ride where it was just this big circular room and they'd spin it so fast that you would get pressed up against the wall and then they'd move you up and down on these little boards?
I never did that one.
That's what it feels like. You're gonna feel a lot of G-forces, and when they start taking over and you realize you have no control, it gets scary, but you just